So we can simply open vaex from our terminal by type the vaex and the file name here, and it's the same way like what our glue did. And the data I use here is from their website, that is this TGAS catalog, which is HDF5 file format, and it's around like 0.6 gigabytes. So now we can have a main window of the vaex window, and we have three tabs here. The first one is the main one that you can do all your like plotting and data analysis here, and the second one is it provides a data viewer, table viewer to see all your columns, and you can also add your new column properties from here. And the third one is some variables. You might need to customize your variable, and you could also add some yours here. So let's go back to the main one. So one thing they did good here is they provide a suggestion that it may give you some advice like what kind of property you may use in your data analyze later, and you can simply just type OK, and it will be automatically add into your table. So this is all the 1D, 2D, and 3D plotting here, and then these are the statistics analysis for the tabular data, which you can see it should give you a summary of this analyze, but for my data, okay, it just will crash it. So let's wait for 1 second. Okay, I got it. So let's see, for the 1D plot, you could just simply click it, and then it will give you a window in this way. You can add different layers by just add here, and it will plot in a different color, and you can select which property you want to see here. And okay, so the second one, visual, is basically how you visualize your data, change the color, or you want to see the line or the bar. And the third one is you can also customize your label as L plus RA, and it will be automatically changed here. And the fourth one is for the selection. So it provides two ways of select. The first one is you can select one of the expression here for the selection, which I'm not sure, I just select anything here. And the second one is you can use these icons here. The first one is which our glue doesn't implement, so it can pick just one column. And the second one is basically similar to ours, but it has one thing called select viewport. So it's like select the whole data. The third one is exactly as ours. So beside this, it also has some similar functionality as the, oh yeah, it just gives a lot of arrows as the link view. So I open another viewer as a 2D viewer, and I select the property with RA and deck. So you can see the whole image here. And one thing is different from the 1D plot is that it can add the vector inside. So I just type anything here, and I should get the whole the vector for the whole image. Let me just change the color. Okay. So if you now do the selection in the 2D one, like do a lasso, and this part will be automatically also show here. One type. view code. Come on, show it. Oh yeah, it is showed. So I just remove a layer and to see if it can be shown. Oh yeah, it's shown in this way. So yeah, so it's basically like our link view functionality, and also it provides a 3D viewer function, which I just use a viewer I created before. And one thing is different here. Yeah, you can see the 3D scatter points and also the vector here. And the one thing is different, it doesn't provide a normalized color bar, so you have to customize your visualization through so many slider bars here, which for me is in no way I can make it beautiful. And also the selection here doesn't apply to 3D, so they don't have a 3D selection. That's what we can beat them. And I also load this data into Glue, and but unfortunately their performance is better than us. I can feel my computer got very stuck with this amount of points. So that's all.